Hello and welcome all. So in today's vlog, I would cover sample question paper of class 3. So without wasting the time, let's get started. And here, first question is fill in the blanks. So we have to fill in the blanks. Okay. Now, first is 1000 is equal to dash 100. It means in 1000 there are how many hundreds? There are 10 hundreds. It means when we add hundreds 10 times, then we get 1000. Okay. Then second is smallest 4-digit number is. What is the smallest 4-digit number? It is 1000. Clear? Then Roman numeral for 38 is, as I have explained you in my earlier blogs about Roman numerals. So we write 3 times x. Okay. X, 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 5, 1, 1, 1. So this is 38. 10, 10, 10, 30. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 38. Clear? Then circle the odd number. Now, whatever the number, whatever big number is, you don't have to worry at all. Just check the number at one's place. So here 8 is what? 8 is even. Why? Because it is easily divisible by 2. In the same way, 9324, 4 is what? 4 is an even number. Then 356, 6 is also even. Now 4021. Now in this, at one's place, 1 is coming. Okay, it means 1 is what? 1 is an odd number because it is not divisible by 2. Clear? Then write the predecessor of 7700. Predecessor means number that comes just before that particular number. For example, if someone asks you what is the predecessor of 2, so you will simply say 1. Why? Because 2 minus 1 comes out 1. So whatever number is given, you just have to subtract 1 from that. It means when we subtract 1 from this, we will get 7699. Okay. Then next is what? Write the successor of 2099. Successor means the number that is coming just next to that number. Like what is the successor of 2? So successor of 2 is 3. So 2 plus 1 comes out 3. So in the same way, we'll add 1 in this number, and after adding we'll get 2100. Clear? Means 2100. The next is form the largest and the smallest number possible using digits 6045. So here 4 digits means 4 numbers are given, and by using these 4 numbers we have to make the largest and the smallest. So a simple rule is just write down in decreasing order. Like first write down 6, then 5, then 4, then 0. It means 6540. Okay. Then by using these numbers we have to make the smallest number. So how we can make this? Just write in the increasing order. Okay. So 4 5 0 4 5 6. It means what? It means 456. Okay. Then after that, next is write the numbers in figures. Means these words are given in word form. Okay, these are given in word form, and we have to change this into numbers. So simple ways, just check the bigger one. This is 6000, and accordingly make the division. So we'll write down ones, tens, hundred, thousand, because last number is 1000. Okay. Then in place of 1000 write down 6. Okay. 100, 400. So 420. So in place of 20 write down 2, and one in one's place write down 0. Okay. Then next is 9090. So bigger number is 1000. Accordingly do the division: ones, tens, hundred, and 1000. So 9000, in place of 1000 write down 9. 100 is not given, so write down 0 here, and 90. So in one's place you tens place you will write down 9, and one's place comes out 0. This is 9090. Okay. The next question is expand the number. So we have to expand this. Okay. So how we do this? First do the division, like ones, tens, 100, and this is 1000. So write down 3, and then after 3 how many numbers are given? 3 numbers are given, means 3 zeros you'll put 1 2 3, then plus, then comes 100, 8, and after 8 how many numbers are given? 2 numbers are given, so 1 2. Okay, plus write down 5. How many numbers are after 5? One number, means 1 1 0. Okay, then plus, and at one's place 4 is given, so write down 4. So this is the expanded form of 3854. Now we'll, in the same way, we will solve this also. Again do the division. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So 6, and how many numbers? 1 2 3, and in 1000 we all know there are how many zeros? There are 3 zeros, so 1 2 3, plus 100, 2 is given. How many numbers? 2 numbers, means 2 zeros. Okay, plus tens, 1 0 is given, and after tens, 1 how many numbers? 1. It means 1 0 plus, so 1, write down 1. So this is the expanded form of 6201. Clear? Now next question is, put the correct sign. So this sign symbolizes greater than, and this is less than, and this is equal to. So two numbers are given here, and we have to compare this, and accordingly we'll put the symbol here. Okay, so this is 911, and this is 111. So which number is bigger? This number is bigger, so we will put this arrow sign here. Okay, this is given in Roman. 10 10 10 plus 10 comes out 20, so 20 18. Which number is bigger? This is greater, so we'll put the symbol like this. Okay, then we have this is given in expanded form, but the number is same. 200 plus 8 comes out 208, and this is also 208. It means we'll put the equal to sign here. Then in Roman 5 is given, this is also 5, means equal to. Clear? Now next question is, choose the correct option. So this is multiple choice question, and this will get 4 options, and out of these 4 we have to pick the correct one. Okay, and write in the space provided. So first is the standard unit of length is, so when we have to measure the length, which unit we will use. So options are meter, kilogram, liter, gram, and correct answer is meter. So we'll write down meter in the space provided. Then next is 31 divided by 31. So it's very easy. When we divide 31 by 31, we'll get 1. 31 ones are 31. So option number C is correct. The next is 1 liter is equal to dash milliliter. In 1 liter there are how many milliliters? We all know in 1 liter there are 1000 milliliters. So option number D is correct. Okay, the next is fractions with same denominators are called dash fractions. For example, 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. So it means this is a fraction because this is coming in upon, means it has a numerator as well as denominator, and its denominator is same. So fractions with same denominators are called like fractions. Clear? Then after that, next is the number that is left over in division is called. So for example, when we divide 2 with 5, so 2 2s are 4, and what is remaining here? 1 is remaining here. So this is called left over, and left over means remainder. Clear? So this is the end of the vlog. Hope you like it, and see you very soon in my next vlog. Till then, take care and keep practicing.